Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. And here we are on page 5. Page 5 starts off with our F, first position. 1, 2, 3. We are now to the second note. Second note is an E flat, which is a third position, which is right out here. 1, 2, 3. There are 7 total positions. We will only be using 3 of them on these first few pages. 1, 2, steady, tempo. 2, 3, songs done. Okay, moving on now. Song 3. Song 3, which is music in motion, makes our F and D, and we switch back and forth between them, but there's still a whole rest after each whole note. 2, 3. 1, 2, switching now. 1, 2, switching again. 1, 2, last note. 1, 2, 3, 4 was the last note, but not the last measure. And moving on now, number 4. This is our D note. Number 4 from page 4 and page 5 have the D note. That's where they intersect. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Then our last one on the page is Mr. Whole Note Takes a Walk. This makes use of all 3 pitches in one song. 1, 2, feel the tempo. 1. That finishes page 5. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.